A very good morning to all my dear students. Firstly, welcome to all my channel Educational Learning Hub. In this video, we will learn everything about verb. And today I am talking about new topic, that is verb. A verb is a word that represents an action of subject or state of being. For example, eating, skipping, writing, weeping, laughing, reading, dancing and playing. All are action words. Now we will discuss about types of verb. We have three types of verb mainly. First is action verb, second linking verb, third is helping verb. Transitive verb and intransitive verb comes in main verb. Helping verb is also known as auxiliary verb, and modal verbs is also kind of helping verb. Then regular and irregular verbs. Now we will discuss one by one. Let us start. Main verb. Main verb are used to express action, something that an animal, person or thing does. For example, weeping, laughing, crying, all are the example of main verbs. There are two kinds of verbs, transitive verb, intransitive verb. Transitive verb, action that have a direct object to receive that action. For example, Rowena is eating pizza. Rowena is subject, eating is verb, and here pizza is an object. Let us take another example. The man loves his children. Here, which is a subject? The man is subject. Love is an action performed by and receiver, which is children. What is intransitive verb? Action that does not have a direct object to receive that action is called that intransitive verb. Let us look into sentences example to make things clear. We failed. Here, failed is intransitive verb as that is no direct object linked with it. Let us look into next example. She is sleeping. Here, sleeping is intransitive verb as that is no direct object linked with she. Let us take one more example, make things even clear. They work hard. Here is work intransitive verb. There is no direct object after the verb work. I think now you are clear about transitive and intransitive verb. Or helping verb, which help main verb to complete the meaning of the sentence, is called that auxiliary or helping verb. For example, she is writing. Here, is helping verb and writing is main verb. We are dancing. Here, are is helping verb and dance is main verb. Action words are the main verbs. Helping verb is was, were, has, have, and main verbs is raining, playing. Helping verbs and the main verbs together form the verb phrase. For example, is studying, was playing are verb phrases. Primary verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did. Primary auxiliary plays two sides of role, helping the main verb, and second is completing the meaning their own. I am reading a book. Helping the main verb. Here, primary verb is help the main verb. I am a student. here meaning their own means here verb completing the meaning their own. Modal verbs or modal auxiliary verbs are will, would, shall, should, can, would, may, might, must, used to, ought to, need, dare. Modal verb can play only one role, helping the main verb. Ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation, advice, etc. We have already learned about modal verb in my previous video. Let us take next kind of verb, that is regular and irregular verbs. Here we will learn everything about regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Without the further go, let us get started. Verb changed as verb tenses, which are past form in present form, past form and past participle form. Let us take an example. Arrive is present form of verb, arrived is in past and arrived in past participle. Let us take another example. Drink, drank, drunk. Drink in present form, drank in past form and drunk is in past participle. Now you can see verb form that past tense form by adding d and ed to their base form. But in converting drink, didn't it use any pattern? Arrive and arrived is regular verbs and drink, drank, drunk is irregular verb. Let us take some more example of regular verbs. Jump, jumped, jumped. Call, called, called. Look, looked, looked. Regular verbs based form. Let us take more example. One more case. Regular verbs formed by IED. If verbs ending with Y, cry will become cried, cried. Study become studied, studied by replacing Y. Marry become married, married by replacing Y. I hope this video was very helpful to you all, and please don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.